In this video, I will show you how you can open or extract RAR files on any iPad. Now, as you can see, we have a RAR file over here. Now, to extract the RAR file, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the app library. And from here, just look for the Shortcuts app. After you open this app, then go to the All Shortcuts section, then tap on the plus icon over here. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just select File. Now after that, just tap on File over here and select the file which you want to extract. As you can see, this is the RAR file. Then after you select the file, then just tap on Open. Now after you do that, then in the search bar, just search this. Select Extract Archive. Then finally in the search bar, just search this. Now just select Save File. Now after you've done that, then just tap on the drop down arrow over here and select Rename. Now just give a name to the shortcut which we have created. For example, I will name it RAR Extract. After you do that, then just tap on Done and go back. Now as you can see, this is the shortcut which we have created. Now just tap on the shortcut to extract the RAR file, and in the Files app, just select where you want to extract the file. For example, I will select this folder, then tap on Open. After you do that, you will extract the selected file in the Files app. Now if you go to your home screen, and if you go to the folder where you have extracted the file, as you can see, this is the file which we have extracted. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.